welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Now, I don't know if you've seen behind the scenes, but you can check that out. I did the prep for the cauliflower wings. It's not my first time doing cauliflower wings. I've done it before way back in 2015 or 16. I'm not sure what episode. I'm going to put it on the comment of this video. But yeah, last time I did it, I used sour cream for the batter. But this time, I got an idea on Instagram from Chef Mal, or Mal or Mal, I don't know if I said his name correctly. But yeah, he used oat milk, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that. But here's the thing, right? When I started to do the oat milk, I got an idea to use, to do my cashew cheese as the batter. So I didn't do the oat milk yet. That's gonna be part 2. So this is part 1, and I'm gonna do part 2 with the oat milk and see how it turned out. I decided to do my cashew cheese mix, and here it is. I got different variations. And it is so delicious. Oh my god. Here's the cauliflower right here that I sliced up. And I didn't get to the oat milk, but I'm going to get to it. And there's the batter. I also roasted some, but I ate that. You can check out behind the scene for that one that I ate. But here it is. This is the variation here. This is the oat milk that I never got. I didn't get to. This music is loud, but I'm trying to like have the distraction from outside and not be heard. So anyway. Yeah, so this is the here. Oh, and also it tastes good as dips. If you want to do raw cauliflower and just use the cashew dips, they're good. And that's what I did right here. Or you can roast the cauliflower with no seasoning. But the ones that I roasted, I did all the seasonings. So yeah, this one is the cashew with curry. No, this is the cashew with curry. This is the cashew with Nashville hot. This is the cashew with sazón. This is the cashew with sazón also, but this one was the coriander and annatto. And this is the cashew and hot sauce. And this one I decided to do hot sauce and flour only, not the cashew. And then this is the original. This is my cashew mix that I do with the cashew cheese. You can check that out on episode 66 if you want to know how to make cashew cheese. I did cashew, adobo, and garlic powder. And yeah, and this is it right here. Yeah, Plush2x doing her thing. Stay tuned for part 2, and I'll let you know how it turned out with oat milk. It should be fine because, you know, batter is batter. So, yeah. And yes, I am a great cook, and I look as good as I cook. This is good. I'm going to tear it up. All right.